Let's do it. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be showing you a head-turning card trick. Let's perform. Alright, now check this out. We'll have a card selected at random. Let's just say it's this card right here. We got the 4 of hearts. Now, just to show you how much skill I have, I'm going to take the 4, shuffle it somewhere in the center of the deck, and once I'm done shuffling, that card will remain right on top of the deck. Check it out. Okay, that's not your card. No worries, I have a better idea. Here's what I'm going to do. Just gonna, spread the cards out somewhat like this, right? Just something like this. We're gonna spread all these cards out, and this is where it gets cool. This is where it gets cool. Ready? If I just wave this card and I drop it on the pack, you'll see it changes into your selected card, the 4 of hearts. Now, personally, I love performing this trick from time to time. It really gets some heads turning, and people are like, "Whoa, what just happened?" Alright, so you guys can go check out the early access tutorial. I'll put the link to that in the description. And of course, the regular tutorial will be out 24 hours after the release of this video. Now, for those of you who are waiting and want to check out some more performances, make sure to go check out that video right there because it's a great performance as well. So, I'll see you there. Peace out.